Hey, what's up, Hemifam family? Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the positive battery post cable box protector. I'm not sure exactly what this is called. I guess it's just the battery cover, but if you've had battery problems in the past, like I have, had to jump your car a bunch of times, or if your car is kind of old, this is a 2015 we are talking about here, so I'm guessing between the heat and the battery problems, the cap that I have here just snapped off, and it's kind of crappy. It just sits in there. If you were to remove it, it just falls off. It can fall in the engine bay and get lost, which isn't good. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to replace this bad boy and exactly where to get it and the part number. I have the new one we are looking at here. I do believe it is going to fit. It looks pretty much the same. When I went to my local dealership to order this, they pulled the part number up and it didn't show that it fit the charger scat pack. My VIN number, it showed that this was incompatible with it, but I ordered it anyway. I believe this one came off a Dodge Challenger, which is the part number it was made for, but as you can see, they are pretty close, guys. They're pretty identical. Even the markings are the same, kind of on the side. So we're gonna give it a shot and see if it works. Here is the part number right here. It should be the battery cover, which is the second line right here if you need the part number, because like I said, when we looked this up for the VIN on this charger here, this 2015, it showed incompatible, but upon looking at the diagram on the part, I'm like, I think it'll fit. Let's order it. It was only a few bucks, and here we are, guys. So one of the very first steps we are going to want to do, there's kind of like a little clip here, and luckily I have this part where I can show you, but this bottom piece just kind of wraps around and snaps in there. So just going to kind of unclip it there. I don't know if you heard that or not, but it made a nice little audible sound, and now it is unclipped from the wire. Back over here on the sides, it does have kind of like little clips that just basically snap around this metal part here. So I mean, you can just kind of push them out and then pull it up, and here we go, guys. The old broken one has been removed, and we can now maybe I'll clean it up just a little bit, you know, being that we're here, give it a little dusting. Okay, so let's get the new correct one and not put the bad one on there. So let's just kind of fit it around like such. It just snaps right in the top. We will flip that clip over to attach it here, and we are good to go, guys. This baby is ready to rock and roll. It is completely installed, and now this cover is not going to go anywhere. If I need to jump the car, it's not going to fall off, get lost somewhere down in the engine bay, and this positive jump post is protected in the event something happens, you know, something's flying around, tools get thrown around in the engine bay. this battery post is now protected from any feedback, sparks, things of that nature. So that is pretty much it, guys. Be sure to check the video description because I will put the part numbers of the part that you just saw installed, and we have a lot of other good stuff down in the video description. All of our social media links and handles, be sure to follow us there, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You do not want to miss all the awesome content we have in store lined up for you guys. And this is just one of those odd little helpful videos. You don't know that you need it until you need it and your battery post breaks off, but we got you covered, guys. And again, I really can't thank all of our subscribers, everybody that tunes in and watches our videos. You guys are the real MVPs, guys. So I really hope this video helps just one person out there. If our videos help one person, our job is done. And that's pretty much it, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel before you go. If this video helped you, give it a huge thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.